In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an image to duotone using Recolor tools in PowerPoint. A duotone effect uses two colors to give your image a bold, modern look, and you can create it directly in PowerPoint without any extra software. Let's start by bringing your image onto the slide. Go to Insert, choose Pictures, and pick the photo you want to use. Once it's on the slide, click the image to make sure it's selected. If possible, choose a high-resolution image so the final result stays crisp when you resize it. Before we add color, we'll neutralize the photo. With the image selected, go to the Picture Format tab, click Color, and under Recolor, choose Grayscale. This step removes the original hues, which helps you get a cleaner, more predictable duotone. Don't worry if the image looks a bit flat at this point. That's exactly what we want before tinting. Now let's add the first color. Still in Picture Format, open Color, then Recolor, and pick a dark accent. This will be your color 1. Think of it as the shadow tone that sets the overall mood. Deep blues, charcoal, or rich purples work well, but choose something that matches your brand or slide theme. Avoid overly saturated neons, as they can overpower details. Next, duplicate the image so we can introduce the second tone. Press Ctrl+D to create a copy directly on top of the original, keeping everything perfectly aligned. With the duplicate selected, go back to Recolor and choose a lighter accent for color 2. A lighter tint of the same hue often looks cohesive, but any lighter companion color can work, as long as it complements your first tone. To blend the two colors into a true duotone, select the top image and adjust its transparency. In Picture Format, click Transparency and set it somewhere around 30 to 50%. Slide it up or down until the two colors merge smoothly without losing too much detail. Higher transparency will let more of the dark base show through. Lower transparency will make the lighter tint more dominant. Trust your eye here and match the mood you want. When you're happy with the blend, select both images and press Ctrl+G to group them. Now the pair behaves like a single duotone image that you can move, resize, crop, or place as a design element across your slides with no risk of misaligning the layers. And that's it. You've created a polished duotone using only PowerPoint's Recolor tools.